And what do we got today? We have two soldering stations, two different. We have this A model, which is approximately 14-15 euros, and a little bit more exclusive, 18-20 euro. So let's see. And the A, it's totally low budget garage style. It's the cheapest thing whatever you can buy. You can even get more discount if you buy two. And if you buy two, then you can give one for your mother-in-law. Why? Because your mother-in-law doesn't need it, and she will pass it or give it to father-in-law, and he will be happy. Win-win, you guys. But now back to the test. So, of course, we are testing with not Makita batteries. We are testing the low budget batteries. I don't know what is this, but it's cheap. Worth it? Yeah, I don't know. Let's go. You can adjust the temperature here up to 500 degrees. And the numbers are running. I don't know, do they run just for fun or just for real the thing? So now we're gonna wait a little bit and see. It just keep running and running the temperature. It says, is it hot or not? And this cutting board, this is, my wife says, can you oil it? And I did it with the motor oil. Now it's low budget garage cutting board because it was free. Now we are back to 500 degrees. So I don't know. Let's see, is it hot yet? Oh my god, it is actually. Wow. So this is actually heating very, very fast. Okay, not bad at all. Let's test number B, the exclusive, expensive one. Now we have the B. Now I think we started here. Yep, 300 degrees. We put full power. No, fuck. And here we have the exclusive one, the B. Let's start it. Oh, let's see. Okay, now we have on. Do we need to? Yeah, we need to rise it up. It's the same. Oh, it's going even 510 degrees. Let's see. And this is cool feature here. You see? Here it's actually the light also, which is gonna turn off when it's hot. So let's see. I'm very interested to see. Did I read the manual? Of course not. So the first one was extremely fast to get hot. But I like this one because it's the holding in the same position. And still waiting. I have no clue. Is it gonna go off or not? Maybe I should read the instructions. Holy shit. I know, it's still on. But it's hot. Maybe I was wrong. Wow. Oh, no. And you can buy these different tops, both of them, I think. I'm not sure about another one. Oh, now the light was blinking a little bit. Maybe it's... But both of them looks very handy. Okay, let's test soon. So, which one is better? Is it better to use 4 or 5 euros more, or does it matter? I think it doesn't matter. This is a little bit more cooler features. The light is actually not turning off, it's just blinking when it's hot. And yes, can we see it here? I think. Yep. So both of them are very good. This is more soft-eared cables, and this is more very thicky, so this makes this one much better to handle because it's but both of them are getting hot, and is it worth it? Yes. It doesn't matter which one you buy, but if we are low garage budget garage, whatever, we take the cheapest.